Welcome to our YouTube page, where we share the best health tips and tricks to make your life better and healthy. Today, we'll talk about dragon fruit, the superfruit of the tropics. Even though it sounds like a cliché, once you've tried dragon fruit, you'll never go back. Dragon fruit, also called pitaya, is a tropical fruit that grows in Mexico, Central and South America, and the Caribbean. But it has been grown successfully in Southeast Asia for a long time and is now a main food in many homes. Well, why not? The dragon fruit not only looks great with its bright pink skin and white meat with black seeds, but it also has some amazing health benefits that make it a must-have in your daily diet. So sit back and pay attention as we tell you the top 10 reasons why you should eat dragon fruit every day. Number 1. It's good for your heart. Dragon fruit is full of antioxidants, which protect your heart from damage caused by free radicals and lower your risk of heart disease. It also has a lot of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids, which lower levels of bad cholesterol and raise levels of good cholesterol. Number 2. Eating dragon fruit every day can help keep your defense system strong. Vitamin C is a strong antioxidant that helps fight off infections and diseases. Dragon fruit is full of vitamin C. Number 3. It helps prevent cancer. Dragon fruit has a lot of antioxidants and vitamin C, which help lower the chance of cancer. The fruit also has antioxidants, which are very important for preventing cancer. Keeps your skin healthy. Dragon fruit is great for your body, but it's also great for your face. Dragon fruit has antioxidants that help slow down the signs of age and keep your skin healthy. If you eat dragon fruit every day, you can get that glow you've always wanted. Helps digest food. Dragon fruit is full of fiber, which can help with digestion and make bowel movements better. It can also help stop diarrhea, bloating, and constipation. Number 6. Better vision. Beta-carotene, which is found in dragon fruit, is known to improve eye health and keep eye illnesses at bay. 7th. Dragon fruit helps prevent diabetes because it is low in calories and high in fiber. If you eat dragon fruit every day, it can help you control your insulin levels and avoid getting type 2 diabetes. Helps you lose weight. Because dragon fruit is low in calories and high in fiber, it is a great food for helping you lose weight. The fiber in dragon fruit makes you feel fuller for longer. This makes you less hungry and helps you lose weight. Number 9. It helps fight inflammation. Dragon fruit is full of antioxidants and beta-cyanins, which are known to help fight inflammation. If you eat dragon fruit every day, it can help your body feel less pain, stiffness, and inflammation. Number 10. It helps hair grow. Copper, which is found in dragon fruit, is known to stop hair loss and help hair grow. So, there you have it. The top 10 reasons why you should eat dragon fruit every day. This superfood can help your body, mind, and spirit in many ways. So, make sure to eat dragon fruit and get all the amazing health benefits it has to offer. So much for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting health tips and tricks. Thank you for coming to watch.